What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna make a group reaction with my friends right here, Lawrence and Roger. We're gonna watch a video called One Guy Runs Screwdriver. If you want to see it, the link is gonna be on the side right there. And I'm freaking scared right now, so we're gonna watch it right now, right? Oh shit, dude, that's the same guy from One Guy, One Cup. Shit.
Ouch!
Sorry,
what are you
man.
doing?
Oh.
Bloody Mary! That's okay!
Watch it, man. Is it over?
Oh my god! Oh, it's like a huge bloody jammer! Oh!
Make sure they can see you.
That's so nasty! What is that?
It's over.